To empower. To give someone the authority or the freedom to do something. It's much more than just powering. It's giving Africa the opportunity to fully shape its development. And when it comes to Africa, we can do more than provide electricity. Electricity is a miracle. When the 600 million people do not have access to energy, food is an illusion when more than half of what is produced goes to waste. Water is a mirage when you can't drink it or use it to irrigate. Sometimes people are forced to migrate to big towns. There are particular contexts, such as rural areas, where bringing electricity is not economically viable. Where virtually no infrastructure exists, we need to take a big step back and focus on people's needs. Where there's no energy, there's no water. Where there's no water, there's no food, right? We need a new business model that integrates water, energy, and food in a single field of action. Solving this basic equation, we can finally find the answer to reach sustainable development and tackle climate change. How can we make it happen? Keep on providing sustainable energy and focus on productive uses of energy. An irrigation system is much more than just an irrigation system. It's the power that enables the transition from subsistence farming to profitable agriculture. It's the power that enables food processing, turning cereals into flour. And when it comes to rural areas, it's the power of exponentially multiplying the economy. Literally changing lives. Water purification systems provide much more than just clean water. They provide health and strength. A food conservation system does much more than preserving food. It reduces the use of natural resources. Food preservation literally means preserving life. Will the energy sector provide access to electricity for this transformation? Will the food and water sectors invest to electrify their own activities? To make this happen at the scale and speed necessary to meet people's needs, as well as social and economic growth, an innovative partnership is needed. Water, energy, and food actors are called to join forces to achieve full access to electricity and sustainable development. Join the challenge. Rest for Africa, born to empower.